Good evening. This is our factory main gate, CG Garments Limited. This is main road. This is our factory gate, and it is a small gate. This is our security post and different security equipment, security check post. This is our second gate and also have this inspection tunnel. This is our security room. Also have fire control board and security monitoring monitor. This is our child care room. Different playing instrument for playing child. This is our doctor room. Duty doctor. And this is our prayer room. This is our factory front view. I showing you 360 degree. Our factory front side. This is assembly point. This is our bonded warehouse. This fabric go down. All fabric different buyer wise. This is red tape buyer. This is JOC buyer. This is fully fabric warehouse. This is our accessories warehouse. All type of accessories here: zipper, pulley, cartoon, sticker, level, everything. And this is accessories checking area. This is our finishing section. This is our finishing iron section. This is our finishing quality checking area. All garments checked before packing. This is our finishing get-up checking area. This is our metal detection machine. Everybody pass metal detection body. This is our city pad area. Now I will go inside. This one our finished good area. All finished good have this area for waiting, inspection and shipment. This is our sewing floor, first floor. Our sewing floor, first floor. This is our needle control room and also mechanics room and engineering department room. This is our fake down feeding room. We have fake down machine, automatic breakdown machine for fake down filling. This is our folding area for folding. We have many automatic folding machine. This is our swing floor and automatic conveyor table. This is our another swing floor. This is second floor. This is our factory sample section. We have expert sample operator. This is our CAD room. Pattern marker machine, and we have automatic pattern cutter machine and marker machine. This is our factory cutting section. This is QC section. This is our fusing section and pixel machine also. This is our cut panel check area, 100% body check, then input swing section. This is our fabric relax area. All fabric have relaxed this area, and this is fabric roll opening machine for relaxing. All fabric are relaxing right now. This is our factory cutting numbering section. All cut panel have numbers, then input swing float. This is our factory fabric checking machine. Fabric checking running now. This is our seam selling machine. Now this machine is idle because this time no running seam selling jacket in swing floor, so this machine is idle. This is our swing line and running lead item. This is t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt. This is our another swing line. Now running trouser, neat trouser. Now running trouser. This is our jacket swing line. Now running quilting jacket, break down quilting jacket. Our swing floor. Now I am standing in middle position of swing line, and this is 360 view. is our jacket line, quilting jacket, also down and also padding. This is quality check area. This is our down feeding room. We have automatic down feeding machine. This is our maintenance department. This jacket our factory made, fake down jacket and quilting jacket. This is all fake down and quilting jacket. This is also fleece jacket, fleece product, fleece fabric jacket. All product made by fleece fabric. This is our factory made seam selling jacket. 100% water and air proof seam selling jacket. This is kids and baby item, fake down, padding and quilting jacket. Also have many fleece jacket, fleece fabric jacket. This is our bottom item. We made all type of bottom, long pant, short pant, cargo. Also have ladies long gown. This is ladies long gown, and you see all types of bottom here. Sports wear bottom, trouser, cargo, shorts. We made our factory all types of bottom. This side all jacket, soft shell fabric jacket, inside brush fabric and top side soft shell. All jacket made by soft shell fabric. This is our knit item. Our factory made all type of knit item, top, bottom, ladies tops, t-shirt, polo shirt, frog, ladies frog, all this item here.